In review, I would like to go over 3 words that are very important, not just at a restaurant, but really at any time, especially when communicating with others. And they are bonjour, s'il vous plaît, and je vous remercie. Okay? These things, if you say it with a smile and very sincere, I find it is very helpful to you. You attract more people and kindness around. And it would simply make your vacation, your travels, your experience, and your day much better. So, bonjour means hi. S'il vous plaît, please. Je vous remercie means thank you, okay? This is you can simply say merci, okay? Merci. There's nothing wrong with that. It's more than okay. However, if you say je vous remercie, it is very personal. You are really personally thanking them. It just adds a little bit more respect and very, very, very sincere. So, je vous remercie is thank you. Okay, so these 3 things are fairly important. Again, how would you say thank you? That's right. Je vous remercie. How about hello or hi? Bonjour. Good job. And finally, please. S'il vous plaît. Great job.